I want to talk about this one. Monica Ababa, stay with me. Is a pack a real crazy woman. Why? Is a cat. That's the one together to hang up Arab this room, my father Pablo. Last, no, I think last week or this week, I called the police the time about my blanket as a new one, the blanket. And I believe the blanket know that puka and know that rip up, know that damage when I buy because the plastic, they sell the plastic. Because when I pull out the new one blanket, I I look if they got damage. If they got damage, I return back the Kmart. I buy the Kmart. The police come to me. You know, go talk to me, police. You talking Rosana John, and especially the Dina Camacho. If you change identity, because Monica, I busted that Monica. Monica was talking the Dina to get in the police to give the warrant of arrest Lucia. The warrant of arrest belong that Monica, not that Lucia, police. You talking to. And I'm not mistaking, when I talking the truth, I'm not mistaking that Monica and Marisol making trouble over here. Identity theft, we're talking about identity theft over here. I'm side of God, and these people stay with me, want to kill me. Want to kill me, and you know already that Dina, they drop the case, I win the case. Now Tiaro I can handcuff the Dina and Rosana Jones and Monica and Marisol and Paul and Nestor. They get in the labs bakery. They bother me the job, especially police. You talking the Rosana Jones and they pay you. And you accusing me I'm a real crazy. And you pack with me. You got evidence. You follow me. How much money they pay you that Paul and Rosana Jones? The time to follow me, police. You cannot solve out the problem over here. All you do, just take the money dollar. Because you're not real the police. If you pack a real the police, I know you talking, Monica talking the Dina. And Dina was get in the police and put the warrant over arrest the Lucia. That no, that belong that Lucia. Belong the Dina, belong Rosana Jones, belong Monica Ababa. Why you cannot handcuff that? I know already making trouble that daughter, Marisol and Monica, over here this house. You pack with me? Now which one over here? You bother me and you video me. Now how much they pay you? That Rosana, John, and Paul to video me this house. You Paul, you pull out my account, Paul. You must sure Luciano money dollar. That's all that you do, Paul? That's all that you do, must sure Luciano money dollar. You think I cannot tiaro you? I can tiaro you anytime. And why? You bother my job, you get in that you're not real, Paul. Identity theft. You get in the job, and you give me hard time the job, and you want to kill me. I fight my right, Paul. People get in. I know already. I can concentrate the powerful. I know already I'm not mistaking. Why? I know already because I got power. You fuck with me. Nestor, you was martial art. You think, Lucia, no more power. I told you that one, Nestor. I don't challenge you yet the time. You working together, this woman, Daria face. Oh, you martial art. And I know already about you. Why you video over here this room that you know already exactly that you was Monica. Monica was Nestor Salvador. And you hung up the Arab over here. The people pay rent, the Chinese, you hung up too, and you cut the head. You command the ring. The ring was that before belonged to me. Belonged to me the ring and take over the Chinese. Big fight over here this area. You gotta remember Nestor, and I told the Hinina I was the kickboxer before. You don't know about me. We take over the ring and the using side bag to command the ring. Now right now you got the ring before and you hurry. You always using the ring to command the ring. You big fight. The ring got Philisan and they selling to me $30. I buy the ring. $30. It's a genuine diamond. I buy that one. No more the power, Nestor. No more the power. Why? Not that belong to me. Belong to me the ring, but the using a lot of people die because that power before, many power that before. Now right now, no more the power. That's the one that ring is a big fight. The Chinese over here, this area. Belong to me. They take over the cat before Wojing, the cat. Now, I'm a Pakaria face the Wojing alias before. I'm a kickboxer before. You don't know about me. That you know already exactly. Lucia is a Pakaria, the power before. I'm belong the Arab, the Pablo Sanchez Ababa, and you fuck with me, Nestor. I created you. Now, I have to put back die. Why you die before? You side bad and you back, you beat up my father. You hung up my father. You moving my father, the Pablo, the Arab. Nakamali. You looking your father, Pablo. You looking father black hair. You call the Arab over here. What's that wrong? Pablo, you the one watching that video, the surveillance, and you hide the video surveillance, and you talking Monica was Nestor Salvador, identity theft. You cannot solve out the problem over here. And you know already the millions of money dollar was the Labs Bakery, the count, the Pablo, the Arab over here, and they say, and you say the time, and you hide Harry. And I believe one person, they say that video surveillance 291, that police stayed at Britannia. That's the one that say that video surveillance. And I know I tracked down because I got the power. I'm not mistaking that one because you cannot deny identity theft first. You gotta remember who killed people over here. They paid the rent. Some people missing action because the cat come out the wall and detects that one. They grab the cat in the wall, missing action the body. Some of you cut the head over here. That no light and they cannot see why it is too dark. The martial art always contact my brain. I told my brain, I know already who wants to kill me. And why you, Paul? You fire me the job and you don't even talk to me. And you talk that Nestor, no real, that supervisor. You don't know about me, Paul, that they get in Mirasol Garcia, they stealing your identity and you together to fuck that Lucia the job. You think I don't know about who belong that Loves Bakery? That Dina, they get in. First time they get in Dina and Rosana, talking President Britain and Jane Hagge at the time. And who's responsible? The Laker. And why you always bother me that you find out belong the Arab, the Pablo, black hair. And you making trouble to me the job and you want to kill me and you have it and you think I don't know about my father. The church, the Mary over here. This area, down already. I stayed up over here. But the church of Mary got Lydia and Monica. The cave the Mary got Alex Aguilar. Now that's the one that closed the door that Mary. The cave that Mary. Now which one over here? Now why you carry that my name, Rosana June? And you police, you talking to me and you think I mistake? Not that mistake, the Lucia. And no matter what, I've busted you. You was the Dina Camacho. And you think that I mistake that Marisol and Monica making trouble over here. When a time I'm working, they get in that Loves Bakery, want to open the locker. And who's the police to attack me? Open the lockers, that Loves Bakery, that belong to me, that 41 the lockers. Now why the identity theft and why you cannot solve out the problem? The time when I call the police, you hurry come over here. And you accusing me that I gave it the name Lucia Ababa. Rosie, who's that Rosie? Another call the police and you hurry go the Lucia. Another person called the Rose police and Rosie, I don't know who that person is. Now right now the Monica stay with me. Making trouble to me. They get in the job that Monica got the warrant of arrest. And why is Monica Ababa pretend talking the Dina to get in the police to give that Lucia the warrant of arrest? Dina, you're not real the police. You're just making trouble with me, identity theft, the police, and you put me the warrant of arrest that belong to Monica. The tax, the IRS is a big money dollar, and medical was owned that Monica was the daughter and the son was the put the poster home. They take care of the poster home. They gave it back Monica, and why? And why is Monica big own that medical? And Monica come Loves Bakery and talking Jane Hage to give it that Lucia the warrant of arrest. How about you, Paul? You think, Paul, and you're accusing me, Paul, and you talk, Paul, that my medical, Paul, you cannot approve that medical. Come out medical.